Hello everyone, welcome to another series of today's GK. Let's begin with previous day practice question. Question was the International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer is observed on 16 September, 17 September, 18 September or 19 September. The correct answer is option A, 16 September. In 1994, the United Nations General Assembly proclaimed 16 September the International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer, commemorating the date of the signing in 1987 of the Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer. Hence, option A is correct. The scientific confirmation of the depletion of the ozone layer prompted the international community to establish a mechanism for cooperation to take action to protect the ozone layer. This was formalized in the Vienna Convention for the Protection of the Ozone Layer, which was adopted and signed by 28 countries on 22nd March 1985. In September 1987, this led to the drafting of the Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer. Now let's begin today's session. First question is, E-Bal Nidan portal is related to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Home Affairs or Ministry of External Affairs. The correct answer is option B, Ministry of Women and Child Development. Recently, the online portal E-Bal Nidan for redressal of grievances against violation of child rights was revamped. Some of the new features include bifurcation of complaints based on the nature of the complaint into their subject matters like juvenile justice, POSCO, labor, education, etc. and tracking of complaints at every stage in a more mechanized and time-bound manner. E-Bal Nidan is an online complaint management system for making complaints to the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights against any violation of children's rights under the Child Rights Protection Commission Act 2005. The complainant is informed through email or SMS about the action being taken on his complaint. The identity of the complainant is kept confidential. It is related to the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Hence, option B is correct. Next question is, a 3-day international conference Angan 2022 is associated with zero carbon transition, development of robotics, artificial intelligence or deep space activities. The correct answer is option A, zero carbon transition. A 3-day international conference Angan 2022, that is Augmenting Nature by Green Affordable New Habitat, second edition titled Making the Zero Carbon Transition in Buildings, began on 14th September 2022. Hence, option A is correct. Angan 2.0, which is being organized by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, Ministry of Power, in collaboration with Swiss Agency for Development and Cooperation under the Indo-Swiss Building Energy Efficiency Project, that is BEEP. The objective is to promote a healthy ecosystem, which was mentioned at COP26 in Glasgow by the PM of India on LIFE, that is Lifestyle and Environment and Panchamrit, aiming to make India net zero by 2070. Next question is, the Gulf of Guinea is part of the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean or Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is option B, Atlantic Ocean. Reinforcing Indian Navy's commitment to maritime security, INS Tarkash is currently mission deployed in the Gulf of Guinea, that is GOG, for anti-piracy operations. Gulf of Guinea is part of the eastern tropical Atlantic Ocean off the western African coast. Its major tributaries include the Volta and Niger rivers. The coastline of the Gulf of Guinea forms part of the western edge of the African tectonic plate. The only active volcanic region is the island arc aligned with Mount Cameroon, 13,353 feet on the coast of the Cameroon Republic. The warm tropical water of the Gulf of Guinea is of relatively low salinity because of river affluents and high rainfall along the coast. Hence, option B is correct. Next question is, the Ramakrishna Mission was established in 1894, 1895, 1896 or 1897. The correct answer is option D, 1897. Recently, the Union Minister for Education launched Ramakrishna Mission's Awakening Program for students of classes 1 to 5. Ramakrishna Mission carries out extensive educational and philanthropic work in India and expounds a modern version of Advait Vedanta, a school of Indian philosophy in Western countries. The society was founded near Calcutta, now Kolkata, by Vivekananda in 1897 with a twofold purpose: to spread the teachings of Vedanta as embodied in the life of the Hindu saint Ramakrishna 1836 to 86 and to improve the social conditions of the Indian people. Hence, option D is correct. Next question is, India's first lithium cell manufacturing facility is in Odisha, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu or Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. Recently, the Minister of State for Electronics and Information Technology visited India's first lithium cell manufacturing facility at Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. Hence, option D is correct. This state-of-the-art facility has been set up by the Chennai-based Munoz Industries Limited with an outlay of Rs 165 crores. The facility is located in one of the two electronics manufacturing clusters set up in Tirupati. The installed capacity of the plant at present is 270 MWh and can produce 20,000 cells of 10 Ah capacity daily. These cells are used in power banks and this capacity is around 60% of India's present requirement. Currently, India imports complete requirements of lithium-ion cells primarily from China, South Korea, Vietnam and Hong Kong. Next question is, what is the LKCA-15? Assault rifle, supercomputer, humanoid robot or protoplanetary disk? The correct answer is option D, protoplanetary disk. Recently, scientists found evidence of baby planet in the making. Scientists began their research by re-examining a protoplanetary disk called LKCA-15, which is located about 518 light years away from our planet in the direction of the Taurus constellation. Scientists have previously used observations from the ALMA observatory to report evidence of planet formation in the disk. Hence, option D is correct. Next question is, recently the term SNR 0519 69.0 was in news. It is ballistic missile, gene editing tool, Internet of Things or supernova remnant. The correct answer is option D, supernova remnant. Astronomers studying the remains of a supernova captured using NASA telescopes have found clues that can help determine the timeline of the star's demise. Called SNR 0519 69.0, the supernova remnant is the debris from an explosion of a white dwarf star. SNR 0519 69.0 or SNR 0519 in short is located in the Large Magellanic Cloud, which is a small galaxy about 160,000 light years away from our planet. Hence, option D is correct. According to NASA's Chandra Ray Observatory, the star underwent a thermonuclear explosion after reaching critical mass. Stars usually do this by pulling in matter from a companion star or merging with another dwarf star. This type of supernova is called a type Ia. Next question is, which of the following best describes Wildcat Ridge? Forest, squirrel, turtle or rock? The correct answer is option D, rock. NASA's Perseverance rover is well into its second science campaign, collecting rock core samples from features within an area long considered by scientists to be a top prospect for finding signs of ancient microbial life on Mars. Wildcat Ridge is a name given to a rock about 3 feet, that is 1 meter wide, that likely formed billions of years ago as mud and fine sand settled in an evaporating salt water lake. Recently, the rover abraded some of the surfaces of Wildcat Ridge so it could analyze the area with the instrument called Scanning Habitable Environments with Raman and Luminescence for Organics and Chemicals or SHERLOC. Hence, option D is correct. Sherlock's analysis indicates the samples feature a class of organic molecules that are spatially correlated with those of sulfate minerals. Next question is, InSight 2022 International Conference on Sustainable and Innovative Finance for Green and Healthy Transportation was held in Jaipur, Dehradun, Nagpur or New Delhi. The correct answer is option D, New Delhi. Recently, the InSight 2022 conference was organized by Convergence Energy Services Limited or CESL in partnership with World Resources Institute India, supported by Shakti Foundation. It was held in New Delhi. The conference was preceded by a workshop on carbon financing by the World Bank. The conference explored innovative solutions to finance India's ambitious green transportation goals. Hence, option D is correct. Last question is, Danaus plexippus is a or an hornet, snake, echinoderm or butterfly. The correct answer is option D, butterfly. Recently, the migratory monarch butterfly Danaus plexippus, known for its spectacular annual journey of up to 4,000 kilometers across the Americas, has entered the IUCN Red List of threatened species as endangered. Hence, option D is correct. It is a subspecies of the monarch butterfly, that is Danaus plexippus. The native population, known for its migrations from Mexico and California in the winter to summer breeding grounds throughout the United States and Canada, has shrunk by between 22% and 72% over the past decade. Now it's time for the practice question. Lachain Monastery is in Ladakh, Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh or Sikkim. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.